Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up. Here is the new Tapplock 1 Plus. This is a biometric lock that you can use. So use your fingerprint to unlock it. It's also Bluetooth enabled. It can do 3,500 unlocks with one charge. Battery is rated to last up to a year. We'll give you some more details about the lock. So 3 ways to unlock this with fingerprint, Bluetooth via the app, they have a free app, and Morse code. It's waterproof and weatherproof with IP67 rating, and that's good from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. It's got a 7mm reinforced stainless steel shackles with double layered lock body. It's anti-shim and anti-pick, and like I said, the 1-year battery life per 2-hour charge is good for 3,500 unlocks. And you can use the app and the Bluetooth connection to see the battery level. And there's some more details about the lock right there. You have a free app on the Google Play and Apple App Store. And from what I can feel, it's a nice sturdy lock. And I'm excited to give it a try and check it out for sure. This is the Tapplock, and I'm 24K. Thanks.